The competitions are an awesome opportunity for the Guard as a whole to collectively come together and compete, raise some good morale across the states. I think there's a lot of good shooters out here, and it gives you a great opportunity to take those TTPs back to the line and start bringing that back to the force. I think for the new shooters, it's an opportunity to build confidence, a lot more trust in their shooting abilities. Um, as far as the old shooters, I think it's an awesome opportunity for them to develop and mentor future shooters, future competitors coming up through the ranks to succeed past the WPW into bigger and deeper waters. Absolutely. I think the match is an awesome opportunity for soldiers to get out of their comfort zone, get out of their state, see that even the Guard is big. It's a lot bigger than I think a lot of soldiers perceive it to be. So you definitely get some more face time, meet awesome NCOs, awesome soldiers at a national level. A lot of the Guards networking and knowing who's out there. So this isn't going to be the first or the last time that you see a lot of these soldiers, whether it's on the competition field or back in the rear garrison or on mission. It's good to know where people are, who they are, who you need to call if you need to call somebody.
Make ready. Fire. On line, move to the 75-yard line. Fire. Fire! Make ready. Assume the stage starting position. Watch and shoot. Watch and shoot. Fire! Fire!
The importance of these matches and marksmanship in general is to improve our lethality on the battlefield. So this is a good place to test what we're capable of, what we need to work on, and just generally see what the force is capable of doing. Just improving myself, what I can do better. I take all the stuff, I have a data book, I write down everything I did good, everything I did bad, and I take that back and I train on the things I didn't do well on, and I keep hitting on the stuff I did do well on. I've been shooting for about 5 years now. It's actually really good. I've seen a lot of guys that I've seen at previous matches. Got to talk to them, see what's working for them, what's working for us. shoot ideas back and forth for training, for matches in the future, and how we can just improve this program as a whole. So it also opens it up for when I need help from another unit, whether it's marksmanship related or something else, I already know someone at those units to talk to.
Hey, so y'all are tracking? Where's that?
You actually got two. You got a target.